I know that looks crazy right now. I know. It's the lip gloss for me. It's the lashes for me. It's everything for me. It's Nakia XO for me. Hey guys, so as you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me here in Costa Rica for dinner. We're gonna try to get this video to be less than 30 minutes. Well, this makeup look in general, because I'm really tired. I just woke up from a nap. I'm looking kind of crusty, but I want to get my makeup done for sure before I go out to this dinner. So let's get to it.
I think I need a bottle with a genie in it. Here's my wish list. I'm a creator, unchanging love. I'll take yours and build it up. But I don't need a lot of wishes, cause I'll be okay if I get one. If I had one wish, we'd be best friends. Love will never end. It would just begin. If I had one wish, you would be my boo. Promise to love you. Trust me, I'll trust you. If I had one wish, we'd run away. Making love all day.
We in this beach, finna get crunk. Abraz on fleek, the fuck.
So baby, if I had one wish, I'd make you my whole life. And you be my wife. Make it right this time. If I had one wish, one wish, one wish, one wish. 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 One wish, one wish, one wish.
Personally, I'm surprised you bought me after the things I said. Skirt on niggas, skirt up on niggas, skirt down, you acting like me, acting like me. Cause you're more than cause I'm off lane. I said farewell, you took it well. Promise I won't cry, but spill milk. Give me a paper towel, give me another vow, give me another hour or two. I walk too. Why you bother me when you know you don't want me? Why you bother me when you know you gotta want me? Why you hit me when you know better? Know you know better. Know you do better than you do. Got me looking for you. I'll be looking for you. Got me looking for you. The weekend, sure, baby. Sure, baby.
This is Deborah. Thought I'd end up with Shine, but it wasn't a match. Wrote some songs about Ricky, now I listen and laugh. Even almost got married, and for Pete I'm so thankful. Wish I could say thank you to Malcolm, cause he was an angel. One taught me love, one taught me patience, one taught me pain. I'm so amazing, there's nothing I want, but that's not what I see. Look what I got, look what you taught me. Yeah, more that I say, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so fucking grateful. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so fucking spend more time with my friends.
Hey guys, I just wanted to take this moment to tell you guys to please do not forget to like this video, comment down below how you like it so far, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Love you guys.
I ain't worried about nothing, plus I'm with someone else. We having better discussions. I know they say I'm a one.
Alright guys, so to finish off this makeup look, I'm just going to apply some Fenty Beauty gloss bomb right on top because I have to have lip gloss on with my looks. I just love gloss. So yeah, this is the finished look.
Alright. You look good! Right. You look good! Yeah.
I went for just a pretty simple look. I'm not doing really too much tonight, so let's go on to the outfit. Alright guys, so moving on to the outfit. So I have this satin skirt that I got from, I think it's from Fashion Nova. Yeah, this is from Fashion Nova. And it's just really cute. I got this top here from, damn, where did I think Forever 21. Yeah, Forever 21. It's a new top. And my Fashion Nova nude heels, which, you know, they have no backs. And I hate my ankles, so I'm going to be wearing anklets with those. So I'm going to just get dressed really quick and then show you guys.
This song is a smash. I got so much love, got so much patience. Learn from the pain that he turned out amazing.
So this is the fit we're going for. Got these sunglasses, earrings, and necklace for Nakia, baby. Nakia XL if you want to be nasty. Nakia XL if you nasty. We got this bag right here. The skirt, these shoes. Yeah, details, details. All that. All that. We got the rings.
Been trying to let it go, trying to keep my eyes closed, trying to keep it just like before. Times when I never even thought to speak.